So, here you can say.
So we have a conflict with this, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
In a big conflict in 100 Always About Your Friends and Enemies, because Marcos basically accidentally sneezed while he was while he was trying to sink a putt.
And Marcos just went total rage monster.
He ran after him. Sneeze climbed up a tree and held on for dear life, and he was swinging the club at him
like a human pinata.
And then
he kept Marcos wouldn't stop, and then when
the coach told him to come, he came, but then he shot a swear word.
Yeah, Marcos wouldn't stop trying to hit sneeze, I think.
Yeah.
So when he sneezed, and then the coach had to come and start yelling at Marcos to stop trying to hit him. I don't think Marcos ever got a hit on him, but finally when Marcos finally stopped, the coach pulled him away, and as Logan said, Marcos screamed a swear word and threw his club on the grass, which wasn't really good sportsmanship. I mean, it's just you just miss one putt.
You could be kicked
said
out
it
of the
cost him
tournament.
the game and the championship.
Yeah, and you can be kicked out of the tournament.
But it's just a sneeze. I mean, you can't really control a sneeze.
Well, he tried to even. He tried to do this.
But still, when you sneeze, you kind of got to sneeze. So it wasn't really his fault. I mean, Sneeze could have ran away, but
he didn't have the time.
He said his legs felt like overcooked spaghetti.
Yeah, they're all rubbery. He couldn't run because he had to sneeze so bad. And Marcos, as I said, Marcos just wouldn't stop. Totally
rage monster.
So he chased him and tried to hit him.
Do you think that wraps up our video on 100 Always About Your Friends and Enemies about a huge conflict with Marcos and Steve?
Not yet. I have a prediction. That maybe Marcos is gonna still never talk to Sneeze again. He's gonna be mad at Sneeze.
Oh yeah, he hates them all already. He tried to chase him and kill him, but he got on the bus.
Yeah, so they're obviously gonna hate each other even more. Marcos is gonna get so mad at Sneeze. I mean, I'm not really sure. I don't know. I'm not really sure Sneeze tried to make Marcos mad. It was all kind of accidents.
Yeah.
Marcos just got total really mad. Do you have a prediction?
I think he'll probably get pretty mad at him too, or he'll make Sneeze repay him in a way.
Oh yeah, he'll get
devious
Sneeze
way.
back, break him or something.
Or he'll kidnap him like he did on the first day of high school and hide his books around the school.
Yeah, Marcos is probably gonna get him back for that
in some sort of way.
Yeah, I think that's a good prediction.
So does that wrap up our video for a giant conflict for 101 ways to bug your friends and enemies?
Well, do you have a prediction?
Well, actually, I predict that, as Steven said, Marco hates him now. So I think he's going to try to get him back by something, maybe just try to just find something to torture him with. So maybe he might bug him.
Oh, and then he'll have to make up a thing to counter bug him.
Yep. Maybe Sneeze will write another book.
He has so many reasons to write another book.
For enemies, mostly our
friends and enemies.
Bullies or people like that.
Yeah.
So that would actually probably be a good book idea for Sneeze. So does that wrap up our conversation?